loves, this is Sanjana. Welcome back to my channel, and as you can see, I tried my 100% to recreate the look of Jacqueline Fernandez in her latest song Paani Paani. And if you want to know more that how I created this look in details, then please keep on watching. Alright, so here I am, and it took me forever to put on the lens. And yeah, I'm taking my primer. This is from Stay Quirky. It's a silicone based primer that I usually use, and I am almost out of it, so yeah, I am taking a good amount of it and will massage it all over my face. And one more thing, don't mind my hair, it is really messy, I know, but it is for the curls that I tied it up. Okay, so once I'm done with my priming, I'm taking this concealer palette. This one is from Purple. It has pretty good shades and pretty good coverage also. I'm picking up the right shade for my imperfect areas, and I will now color correct and conceal my whole face. Alright, time for foundation. I'm taking my favorite Milani one, and I'm in the shade 05 Bomb Page. I'm taking a good amount of it, and I will apply it all over my face and will blend it out with the help of blender. Okay, so now it's time to set the whole face, and I'm taking this wet and white contour palette. It has a lighter shade, and I'm using it as my setting powder. It works really well. Alright, it's now contouring time, and I'm again using this wet and white palette. I will use the contour shade, and yeah, she has a pretty brown stuff face in the song, so I will try to do that. And I know it's looking pretty harsh right now, but yeah, I will blend it out. This palette is also very beginner friendly and very pigmented. I really like this palette. Okay, so now for the blush, I'm taking this Sugar Mini Blush. This is in the shade Salmon Superstar, and it is quite pigmented, so I'm taking it in very little amount, and yeah, applying it all over my cheekbones. Okay, so now for that sharp brows, I'm taking, this is again by Sugar. This is their Arch Arrival Brow Definer, and I'm just filling in the areas where I have gap and just brushing it upwards. I'm not doing much with my brows today. Okay, so starting with the eye makeup, I'm taking this Stay Quirky Badass Kajal in the shade Sharp Black, and I'm just applying it on all over my waterline and all over my lash line. You don't have to be very precise because later we will smudge it. Okay, so now as I told before, I'm taking a smaller flat shader brush and just smudging it all over my lash line and waterline. In the waterline, you have to be a little bit more careful because if you smudge it too much, then you may end up looking like a panda. Okay, so here how it looks after smudging the kajal. And moving on to the eyeshadow, I'm taking this Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. This is in the shade Rose in the Air, and with a smaller angle fluffy brush, I'm taking this orange kind of shade as she has a brown smoky eye in the song. I'm just patting the shade all over the area where I have smudged my kajal. Okay, so to increase the density, I'm taking this deeper shade from the palette and just applying it over the area where I have applied the previous shade, and will blend it with this same brush. Okay, so to add up a little bit more density, I'm taking this dark brown shade from the same palette with the same brush, and I'm just placing it all over my outer crease, and I will blend this out. And I'm taking the same dark brown shade and will apply it in my lower lash line, and here how it looks. Okay, so to just give it a little bit more depth, I'm going over again with my kajal, and I will apply it all over my lash line. And for the mascara, I am using the Maybelline New York Total Temptation Mascara in the variant Washable. Okay, so I just came back wearing my falsies, and now I will fix my whole face using this Swiss Beauty makeup fixer. Okay, I don't know how, but I just forgot to apply highlighter, you guys, but yeah, no worries, I will do it now. I'm taking the Wet n Wild highlighter in the shade Precious Petals. Alright, my favorite part, lipstick, and yeah, I'm using this NY Bay Primer Plus Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Snuggle Secrets, and yeah, in the camera it is looking a little bit more darker, but yeah, it is in the reality actually a nude brickish kind of shade, just as she has in the song. So for the bindi, I'm using my liquid lipstick and applying it with a toothpick. I'm using it carefully, so no worries. And yeah, here is the final look, you guys, and I hope you like it, and I will wear my jewelries and will come back. So that was it for today's video, guys. I hope this video was helpful and you enjoyed. If you did, then please give me a big fat thumbs up. Also, let me know in the comment section how much you like this look. I tried my 100% to recreate this look, but yeah, let me know how you like it. And for more videos, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon for the notification of my latest video, and I will see you in my next video. Till